My name is Albert J. Torcaso, and I am on a mission. Now I want you to join me on that mission. And I want to see prosperity come to you in a way and a level that you just don't even conceive of at this time. Now I want you to read books and start personal development. Listen to audios, videos, I don't care. But I want you to get it done. And I want each and every one of you to go to alberttorcaso.com. We got torcaso.com. alberttorcaso.com. I want you to look at everything, every link, what have you. And I want you to make a decision. I don't care if you're 14 or 114. I want you to make a decision that you're going to improve your life in every aspect and you're going to work to have an additional income. That's right. I want you to start a business. Yeah, you. And if you're under 18, get permission from your mother and dad or guardian. I don't care if that business is with me, with somebody else. I don't care if it is a YouTube, a Twitch, or some other site, or an affiliate, or MLM. I don't care if it's, eBay, Amazon, Spotify, Yachtify, Badodify. But I want you to start earning an additional income. And let me give you some breaking news. Automation is here. And there are going to be more than 1 billion jobs worldwide eliminated for humans. Automation is going to take over. But if you start an online business, you can use that to your benefit. And you can earn income even while you are asleep. I know it sounds like a hot air thing, but I know people who are doing it right now. I know a guy who was doing whatever he had to do, and his cell phone made noise. And he had an app, and it informed him he had 4 brand new commissions from the business he was in. He wasn't expecting it. He didn't even know. And he finds out he had 4 new commissions. He got paid 4 separate times. Didn't even know. He was like, whoa. Now, I don't know about you, but I think that's pretty exciting. I'm getting mine, but I want you to get yours. Now, here's the commitment I'll make to you. I'll do everything in my power to help you, but I will not die in destitution because of you. Like a song from the 70s said, if you're not willing to do what you need to do to help you, you might hear me sing this song. I'm leaving on a jet plane. I don't know when I'll be back again. I don't want that to happen. Or it might be like a song that Ray Charles had. Hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back no more.